Are you looking for the best snow shovels? In this video we will look at some of the best snow shovels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. True Temper 16x1200. The True Temper 16x1200 is a durable and ergonomic snow shovel designed to make snow removal easier and more efficient. It features an 18-inch aluminum blade that is lightweight yet sturdy, allowing for easy maneuverability while remaining durable for long-lasting use. The shovel is equipped with a steel wear strip, making it ideal for clearing snow from concrete and asphalt surfaces. This strip also helps to prolong the life of the blade, enhancing its overall durability and performance. The ergonomic steel handle of the True Temper 16x1200 is specifically designed to reduce back strain and hand fatigue, providing a comfortable and efficient snow removal experience. The oversized D-grip handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even when wearing gloves. Number 2. The Snowplow, the original snow pusher. The Snowplow, the original snow pusher, is a highly efficient removal tool designed to clear away snow with ease. It features a wide blade shovel with a 36-inch UHMW poly blade, allowing for quick and effective snow removal. The snow pusher is designed for comfortable and operational control, incorporating an ergonomic fiberglass handle with a D-style grip handle. This design provides a comfortable grip and allows for easy maneuverability while clearing snow. The Snowplow is constructed with strength and durability in mind. It utilizes a tough brace support system that provides blade support, ensuring the shovel can withstand heavy use. The simple bolt-together design adds further strength and stability to the tool. Number 3. Greenworks 8-amp 12-inch electric snow. The Greenworks 8-amp 12-inch electric snow is a convenient and efficient snow clearing tool powered by an 8-amp electric motor. This motor offers ease of use, eliminating the need for manual effort or the hassle of dealing with gas-powered equipment. With its hassle-free push-button electric start, the Greenworks electric snowblower is convenient and user-friendly. It allows for quick and easy activation, ensuring a smooth start to your snow-clearing tasks. The snowblower is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it ideal for clearing snow in tight spaces. This feature enables easy maneuverability and enhances overall efficiency. Number 4. BIRDROCK Home 34 Folding Emergency Snow. The BIRDROCK Home 34 Folding Emergency Snow is a compact and versatile snow shovel designed for emergency situations. With extended dimensions of 9, width x 34.25, length x 2.4, height and compact dimensions of 9, width x 22, length x 2, height, this shovel is lightweight and easy to carry, weighing just 2 lbs. Winter preparation is crucial when traveling during snowy months, and having a reliable and lightweight snow shovel is essential. Whether you're driving to work or engaging in winter activities like snow camping or snowmobiling, the BIRDROCK Home Shovel is the perfect tool for all your winter adventures or emergencies. Number 5. Joe SJ-SHLV20. The Joe SJ-SHLV20 is a durable and ergonomic shovel designed to provide efficient snow removal. It features an impact-resistant blade that can withstand the rigors of snow clearing. Comfort is prioritized with the Joe SJ-SHLV20, thanks to its ergonomic D-ring handle grips. These grips provide a comfortable and secure hold, allowing for easier and more efficient shoveling. Additionally, the design of the shovel helps improve posture and reduces the need to bend, minimizing strain on the body. The handle of the Joe SJ-SHLV20 acts as a spring assist mechanism, changing the mechanics of shoveling and reducing strain. This innovative feature enhances the efficiency of snow removal and reduces fatigue.